Hello everyone. In this video we will learn about data warehouse, data lake and data lakehouse using simple examples and their architecture. First we'll talk about data warehouse. A data warehouse is a centralized repository designed to store large volumes of structured data from various sources. It is optimized for reporting and analysis with the data that is cleaned and ready for use. Coming to architecture. A data warehouse collects data from various transactional databases like CRM, ERP. The data is structured, cleaned, and transformed before it's loaded into warehouse, making it ready for reporting and analysis. For example, imagine a library where all the books are neatly organized by genre, author, and publication date. You can quickly find a specific book because everything is categorized and indexed. Let's talk about how a data warehouse can be used. A retail company uses a data warehouse to store sales data, customer information, and inventory levels. Business analysts can run complex queries to generate reports on sales trends, customer behavior, and inventory management. Next, let's look at what data lake is and how it can be used. A data lake is a storage repository that holds a vast amount of raw data in its native format, including structured, semi structured, and unstructured data. The data is not cleaned or processed when it is stored in data lake. It's like putting everything in a box without organizing it first. Okay. Coming to architecture. Data is ingested in its raw form from various sources like social media, logs, IoT devices, etc. The data is stored as is without any transformation. Example of data lake. Imagine a big lake where many rivers considered as a data sources come together. This lake holds different types of data from clean water considering as a structured data to muddy water considering as a unstructured data. Okay. Let's explore the use case of data lakes. Think about Netflix. They collect a lot of data from users, including what shows are watched, reviews, and logs from apps. This data comes in different types: structured user info, unstructured reviews, and logs, and is stored in a data lake. This is large collection of unprocessed data that data scientists or engineers analyze later to provide recommendations or make business choices. Okay, let's talk about data lakehouse. What exactly is a data lakehouse and how it is different from other two types of architectures? A data lakehouse combines elements of the data warehouse and data lake. It supports structured data for analytics and unstructured data for machine learning, providing a unified platform. It's a newer technology that tries to simplify the complexity of maintaining separate systems. Moving on to data lakehouse architecture. The data is stored in raw form, similar to data lake, but there is also another layer to support structured queries and transactional data, similar to data warehouse. It aims to simplify the architecture and improve data management. For example, let's take a modern library that features well arranged books along with a areas of digital materials, research documents, and original drafts. It offers both easy access to organized data and the richness of raw information for deeper study. Let's examine a scenario of utilizing data lakehouse. A healthcare organization uses a data lake to store patient records and medical images. It's combination of structured data and unstructured data. Doctors can quickly access patient histories for treatment while researchers can analyze medical images for new insights. Here are some key differences among these three architectures. Data warehouse. It is best for structured data and complex queries. And data lake, it is ideal for storing raw and unstructured data. And then data lakehouse, it combines the strengths of both data warehouse and data lake, and it supports wide range of data types and use cases. Coming to properties like data type, data warehouse only stores structured data. Think of data like a neatly organized spreadsheet or database. And data lake, it can store any type of data, structured, semi-structured or unstructured data like databases, JSON files, XML files, videos, images, etc. Whereas data lakehouse, it stores all type of data, structured, semi-structured and unstructured, making it flexible like a data lake but with added structure for analysis. And the next property is schema. In data warehouse, schema on write, meaning data is cleaned, structured and organized when it is entered into data warehouse. Think of setting rules first, then adding a data. Coming to data lake, it uses schema on read, meaning raw data is stored as is and it's structured only when needed for analysis. It's like dumping everything in a box and organizing it later. And whereas data lakehouse, it combines both approaches. You can add structured data with rules for the beginning or store data as it is and organize it later depending on how you use it. Yeah. Next property is data processing. In data warehouse, we use ETL, extract, transform and load, meaning data is transformed and cleaned before being stored. In data lake, we use ELT, extract, load, transform, where raw data is first stored, then transformed when needed. In data lakehouse, it supports both ETL and ELT, giving you flexibility in how and when data is processed. And the next property is storage cost. Data warehousing, it's high cost because of structured and optimized data, requires expensive storage systems. In data lake, it's a low cost because raw data is stored without processing or optimization. Whereas data lakehouse, it's moderate cost as it depends on whether you store raw data or optimized it. Yep. Query performance. Data warehouse, high performance for structured data. It's optimized for fast queries and reports. And data lakehouse, low to moderate performance because querying raw and unprocessed data takes time and effort. And coming to data lakehouse, it's high performance for both structured and unstructured data, combining the strengths of both systems. And the next property is security and governance. Data warehouse uses strong and well established security systems, making it reliable for sensitive data. Whereas data lake, it's less mature security. Custom solutions are often needed to manage security and data governance. Coming to data lakehouse, it uses advanced security features like data warehouse, making it secure while handling different type of data. And coming to use cases, data warehouse, it's ideal for reporting and business intelligence like financial reports or sales analysis. Coming to data lake, it is suited for big data, data science and machine learning where unstructured data is analyzed. Data lakehouse, it's great for unified analytics, combining BI with data science so you can do everything in one place. And coming to users, data warehouse, used by business analysts and decision makers who need clean and organized data for reports. Whereas data lake, it is used by data scientists and engineers who need raw data for complex analysis, AI or machine learning. And coming to data lakehouse, it is used by all type of users, business analysts, data scientists and engineers because it supports both simple reporting and advanced data analysis. So each solution is useful depending on the specific data needs and goals of an organization. But modern trends are moving towards data lakehouse for their ability to simplify complex data environments. That's all for this video. I hope you find it useful. Feel free to contact me if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. Goodbye and take care.